damage caused by this pandemic, some strict measures have to be taken in manufacturing sector. COVID-19 showed the world the disadvantage of global value chain. In order to provide employment to people, we must focus on establishing almost 70 to 80% supply chain of particular product domestically. This may be achieved by design thinking. Defining the product catering to huge demand and applying this model is the most effective way to establish domestic supply chain. Then removing unnecessary functions and focusing on essential will save lots of material to be procured from foreign markets. Customer-centric orientation will give accurate results at lower cost. For example, we can focus on products such as electric vehicle, which contains lesser number of components than petrol car. While talking about the changes required in policies related to manufacturing, we must focus more on research and development in order to give rise to sustainable solutions. In order to adjust with the new world after the pandemic, vocational training is must. MSME sectors has been hit the most by COVID-19 crisis. Their management has been proven parameter in world-leading German manufacturing sector. The delay in implementation of necessary measures shows lack of governance. China was able to curb the outbreak due to the accurate governance. India must leverage the resources in order to improve the efficiency of logistics and supply chain. We have realized what it costs to be ignorant. Let us build a better future by coming together and defeating this Corona 19 crisis. Thank you very much.